बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम कंप्यूटर आईसीएस पार्ट 2 के चैप्टर नंबर 1 से लेके चैप्टर नंबर 8 तक जो है वो एमसीक्यूज शेयर करेंगे। इंशाल्लाह अगली वीडियोस के अंदर हम बाकी के जो चैप्टर हैं उनके भी एमसीक्यूज इसी चैनल पर अपलोड करेंगे। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 1 से।
डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, DBM स्टैंड फॉर डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। प्रोसेस डेटा इज कॉल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन। Select correct option. Which of the following represent a collection of concepts that are used to describe the structure of database? Data model. Which of the following data model is more flexible? Relational data model. Which of the following type of the file require largest processing time? Sequential file. Which of the following may be a temporary file? Transaction file. SQL is a structured language. Write true and false. Data can be processed through computer. False. The transaction file system approach has many advantages over database management approach. False. Data dictionary is also used to view the meanings of database terminology. False. Master file is the largest updated file which never become empty over since it is created. True. SQL is used to retrieve information from the database based on certain criteria. True. The network model is more popular and widely used than relational data model. False. Index sequential file can be processed sequentially as well as randomly. True. Backup file store data prior to its processing. False. Microsoft Access is a relational database management system. True. A report generator is used to produce a printed document from the database. True. Chapter number 2. Fill in the blanks. Table is two-dimensional array containing descriptive information about an entity. The data refer to raw facts and figures. Select correct option. Insert command is used to insert a new record. Create command is used to create a view. SQL is used to data definition and manipulation. The foreign key is found in dependent table. A table must have primary key. मैंने इसके आंसर जो है वो जस्ट लिखे में, बाकी एक ऑप्शन नहीं लिखे. True and false. Two tables cannot have the same name in the database. True. A file is a collection of related field. False. Chapter number 3. Fill in the blanks. During ये जो बोल्ड किए हुए हैं ये बेसिकली इसकी फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स में आंसर आते हैं. During requirements analysis phase, the project requirements are gathered and identified. DFD stands for data flow diagram. The process of identifying data objects and relationship between them is called data modeling. The number of occurrence of participating entities in a relationship is determined by the cardinality ratio. Modality determines whether the participation of an entity in a relationship is mandatory or optional. ERD stands for entity relationship diagram. In ERD model, an entity is represented by a rectangular box. In centralized database system, all the data is stored at a single site. In distributed database, copies of the same data are stored at different sites of the network. In distributed database, our data is replicated among various sites. Next, choose the correct option. इसमें भी मैंने जो just answer लिखे में, which of the following keys does not hold uniqueness property? Secondary key. An entity related to itself in a ER diagram refer to recursive relationship. Database development process involves mapping of conceptual data model into implementation model. In the RD model, the relationship between two entities is represented by a diamond symbol. In hybrid distribution, which kind of fragments are stored at only one site? Non-critical fragments. True and false. In one-to-one relationship, only one instance of each entity can participate in the relationship. True. The optional modality is represented by one. False. One-to-many is a unidirectional relationship. False. In ERD model, a condition is mentioned in a diamond symbol. False. ERD is a physical data model. False. In hybrid distribution, the database is participation in critical and non-critical fragments. True. In distributed database, the consistency refer to availability of same data at all sites of the network. False. Indexing maximize the time required to search a piece of information from a database. False. Analyze is less important activity than coding, so minimum time should be spent over analyzing the system. False. Relationship defines the logical connection between entities. True. Chapter number 4. Fill in the blanks. Entity integrity constraint states that the primary key cannot be null value. Foreign key must refer to be the primary key in another table or it मस्ट बी, यहाँ पर कुछ मिस हो गया, एनीवे यहाँ पर फॉरन किया था। नॉर्मलाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग कम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर इनटू सिंपल एंड स्टेबल स्ट्रक्चर। ओके, functional dependency is a partial relationship between attributes of an entity. During the first normal form, repeating groups are removed. To be in second normal form, a relation must be in first normal form. In third normal form, no transitive dependency exists. Partial dependency exists when one or more non-key attributes are functionally dependent on part of a primary key. When a new record is added in a relation, it may cause insertion. Differential integrity is a constant and foreign key value. Choose the correct option. Select the correct option in third normal form. Which form of dependency is removed? Transitive. In relational database, a table is also called a relation. In third normal form, a non-key attribute must not depend on a non-key attribute. Different attributes in two different tables having same names are referred to as synonyms. Every relation must have a primary key. True and false. Normalization is the process of converting complex data structure into simple data structure. True. A relation is decomposed to convert it from one normal form to second normal form. True. The primary key cannot be a composite key. False. In second normal form, every non-key attribute must depend on the key attribute. True. A relationship involved three relations is known as a ternary relationship. True. A database anomaly leaves the database to an inconsistent state. True. Partial dependency are removed in third normal form. False. A relation may have multiple primary keys. True. In relation database, no relation can exist in isolation. True. The database is normalized to avoid certain database anomalies. True. Fill in the blanks. Database is basically computerized record keeping. Next, each row of the table representing a set of information is called record. Multiple choice. A database consists of various components are called object. Which of the following object of database is used to retrieve data from database? Queries. Correct option. The output of a query is in the form of a table. Which of the following object is used to retrieve data from database and present in a formatted way? Report. Chapter number 6. Fill in the blanks. In the relational model, table is the basic structure in which data is stored. The ERD is a graphical representation of structure of database. In the primary key is made up of a group of two or more fields. It is called composite primary key. Wildcard are special characters that are used in queries to specify the criteria. A query that involves two tables is called cross table. The text data type is used when that field is to contain text consisting of about 300 characters. A query that only retrieve and display data is called select. Correct option. How many types of relation? 3. In a relational database, a single piece of information is called attribute. The role that our record from table cannot be deleted, or if its associate record exists in a related table is called a differential integrity rule. To find a 4-character name that start with H, the criteria is specified as H4 question mark. Which of the following button of find and replace dialog box click to start the search process? Find. The relationship between countries and their capital is an example of many-to-many relationship. Choose right and true and false. If for each entity in B for each entity in B there is only one related entity in A, then the relationship between the entity is one to many. True. A query is used to extract specific information from a database. True. Chapter number 7. Fill in the blanks. Forms are used to enter, views and modify or deleted data in a database. The easiest and quick way to create a form in Microsoft Access is by using wizard. Tabular form is used to display multiple records at a time in tabular format. In Microsoft Access, report can be created in any one of the 3 layouts. These layouts are columnar, tabular and justified. The report object is used only to retrieve data from a database and display it on the screen or paint it on the printer. It cannot be used to edit data in the database. यहाँ पर एक लफ्जी मिस्टेक होगी है, screen print it on the printer यहाँ पर लिखना था. Choose the correct option. Forms are designed for input data, manipulated data, accepting data. यहाँ पर all of them है. The forms are the front end फ्रंट एंड ऑफ आवर डेटाबेस माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस, ये इसका फ्रंट एंड आना है. A dash auto forms display one record at a time. Columnar. A report provide a column for each field of the record rows under the column header is known as tabular. Report can be previewed on the screen before printing. How many are the layout of report? 3. Chapter number 8. Fill in the blanks. The set of instruction given to the computer to solve any kind of problem is called computer program. ANSI stands for American National Standard Institute. The program written in high-level language is known as source code. Loader is a program that places the executable file in memory. In unstructured programming language, the entire logic of the program is implemented in a single module. Preprocessor directives are command that gives instruction to C processor. Constant macros is a name that is replaced by particular constant before program is sent to the compiler. The preprocessor directive gives a program access to a library file. C program is divided into units called token. Every statement in a C program terminates with a semicolon. A language translator for assembly language is called assembler. A set of rules for writing program in high-level language is known as syntax. Choose the correct option. C is the high-level language. Turbo C++ can compile C and C++ program. Debug is the process of identifying and removing error. C was designed to write program for Unix operating system. Preprocessor directives are commands for a C processor. The expression in defined directives cannot be changed but can be redefined. Correct option. Which of the following language require no translator to execute the program? Machine language. .exe file is produced by the linker. Which of the following key is used to save a file? F2. Void occupy how many bytes in memory? 0. True and false. The C programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. True. C was derived from early programming language named B. True. The B was developed by Ken Thompson in 1980. False. The short key for compiling a program is Alt plus F9. True. The compiler produced the source file from an object file. False. The linker is a program that combines the object program with additional files. True. The short key for executing the C program is Alt plus F5. False. In structured programming language, the entire program is divided into smaller modules. True. The value of a constant can be changed during the program execution. False. High-level language is provided machine independence. True.
तो यहाँ पर हमारा आज का जो MCQs वाला पोर्शन खत्म होता है. इंशाल्लाह अपने 9th चैप्टर से लेके 13 चैप्टर तक के MCQs जो है वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर हम आपसे शेयर करेंगे. आज के लिए यहीं तक. होप फॉर द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर. ओके जी, अल्लाह हाफिज.